speaking of completely over the top gadgets, I actually saw a few people talking about this on my social media. The new Dyson vacuum, which has a laser built in
Okay.
to show you how filthy you actually are.
Oh, wow.
Because this laser, it basically wraps around the dust particles on your floor in a way that a normal light wouldn't be able to see or illuminate those things.
Cool.
And so you can go do a pass at a part of your floor and then know, okay, I got everything because the laser, I look at the laser, there's nothing there.
Yeah.
And your eyes wouldn't have been able to pick it up. But then it takes things to a completely different level by actually measuring every particle captured. There's like a little tiny dish on the inside there, and each particle slams into it on like a microscopic level. And then that reading on the top display shows you the size and volume of all particles in 4 categories that you've captured.
Wow.
It's a level of clean you never experienced.
That's super high tech.
Man, what are people up to that you need to... I mean, I think it's cool, but am I gonna...
So you get to see the size of particles, and then what? What do you do afterwards?
I think you have a feeling of relief that you have, like kind of like a fitness tracker. Like how you look at it at the end of the day and it's like, oh, damn, I got 5,000, 10,000, whatever. Or you're on an Apple Watch and you're like, I closed my rings today.
Yeah.
This is like, I know roughly how dirty my house is, my floor, let's say, after a week or after a day or after 5, whatever it is. And so I know what I'm looking to pick up numbers wise.
I see.
I know how many particles I want on my radar today.
Okay.
You're
the lights are impressive.
You're not happy about this.
I use a Dyson.
Yeah, okay.
And it's great.
Okay.
The cordless too.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you feel like this is a gimmick or what?
Well, I just feel like Dyson, they had a campaign where they had like the last vacuum that they were going to make.
Yeah.
And then 2 more models came after.
No, man, come on. You know how this goes, Will, when you're the legend in this space, you never really retire. You always fake retire.
Lied to me,
you always
Dyson.
fake retire and then you come back. But
Yeah.
anyway, they're very happy with it. They got a whole video explaining everything it does, the laser, the particle reading and so forth. I don't know. I'm guessing, Will, there's some people that are just so pristine about how they do things. Can't you picture a type of person like in a very clean space that is just going to really get some kind of buzz
For sure.
out of watching all the particles get picked up
Yeah.
and seeing the reading? And there's somebody out there.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, there's many people, I bet. You know how many people watch cleaning videos on YouTube?
Yeah. At one point, it was huge.
Or detailing cars?
Organization.
But have you seen
Cleaning
the detailing cars one where they get the most disgusting car?
Yeah.
And
Carpet cleaning too?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. So
It feels good.
people are into things, man.